So in this video, you'll learn how to enable auto install and download updates on your Huawei Band 10. So if you want your band to always be updating, even without you having to do it manually, this is what you need to do. Simply open the Huawei Health app on your phone, and then you want to select the option Devices and tap on your Huawei Band 10. Once you have done that, you then want to scroll through the different options until you find Firmware Update and select it. Then from here, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner, and you should see auto download updates and auto install updates. So currently they're enabled, but if you don't have any of these options turned on, it means that you'll always have to be manually scanning and installing any updates that are available. However, if you just tap on the toggles like this to turn them on, it means now that whenever your connected device is connected to a Wi-Fi network, the update will download and it will automatically install the updates and restart the device when it's idle. So that's how you can enable auto download and install updates on your Huawei Band 10. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.